I'm telling Nintendo, on all of these adventures, it's a woohoo, woohoo, ha 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 ha, oh, oh yeah, ha ha, ooh, woohoo, it's a me, mamma mia, here we go, ha ha, woohoo, time and time again, and again, and again, and again, and again. I get a little tired, you know how it is.
I think we can all relate.
They said, consume, consume, consume.
Absolutely absurd.
Cuckoo crazy.
I've noticed you admiring my mustache. Is it hard?
Mario, I've always been super duper hard.
Brilliant.
I'm ready for anything.
Mind taking a few now?
Fire away.
Boom, boom, boom!
I'm also really like a slam jamming the wiener. Was probably taken out of a context.
Well, we've had an absolute rash.
It's not about the stars you collect, the trophies you win, the amount of mushrooms you consume, or even the Yoshis you ride. It really, at the end of the day, is all about screaming, "It's a me!"
Interesting to hear that. What do you consider your greatest achievement?